Chevre, we're out here at the American Dream. There's something special. A brand new store just opened up, and we're gonna check it out, Chevre. Come around with me. Chevre, you guessed it. We're out here in American Dream by the brand new fish grill. Simply the freshest mit Herr Schmeilich von HSS Kitchens. Herr Schmeilich, lass mich hier noch ein bisschen. Ist es da ein neuer Store?
No, it's nicht mein Store, aber ich habe gemacht the kitchen do. Für die Rosinen, some in the planning, the permits, kitchen, and alles.
So you built the kitchen here? Die is gewoon the kitchen, is toch de Essen toch daar?
Ja.
Wow, so you built kitchens in restaurants?
From planning bis kan aanwakken, alles is done, white glove delivery, everything.
Tell me, how was your experience building a kitchen in American Dreams? Heb je het van? Ik kan gaan ijskating wie me wil.
Ja, het is een beetje stress hoor. Van me af aan zei pinkelig doen, the space is limited, but it was amazing. En zei ik.
Wow. So laat me eens in de kitchen doen.
Ja, laat me even maar kijken around by the window.
Get back, kick with the kitchen doen, get back, kick with dit zich doen. Wow, kick with the grill. Next level. We gaan staan er draußen bij de venster, joh. Laat maar hangen inside. Laat me treffen de chef. Let's go.
Fahren Sie einmal an the kitchen, get back the Hechshit, the heimische Hechshit.
Okay, heimische Hechshit, wow. Laat maar checken in the kitchen, let's go.
Oh, the manager is doing.
This is the manager now?
Yeah.
Or maybe give me the mic and let's see the manager. Give me that clip.
Fish
up the hand. There we go. It's good. We got it out. What's the nice? So this is the manager of the location?
Bochshem. Gelijk ze arbeiden in de Lakewood location.
Which locations do Fish Grill?
Maar ze doet 2 in LA, ze doet...
2 in LA?
2 in LA, ze doet in Lakewood, Brooklyn.
What's the nice?
Lakewood, Brooklyn. So jetzt moet ik ook gemaakt door. Gelijk ze arbeiden in Lakewood. Jetzt, Bochshem, maar me door hergesteld.
American Dream.
Yes, Bochshem.
What's the nice?
Maak een sushi, the sushi chef in een fabriek, so you know.
So you taking over the sushi chef?
I gotta make some sushi. We got trying. Chevre lacht niet, we got trying to make sushi do.
I love this fish grill place. Awesome. Sushi guy took a break and they guy maken sushi do.
Ik ga maken sushi.
Wat ben je best wegen de plaats? Offen Matze Shabbos?
Offen Matze Shabbos. Well, throughout the week, jede Tag. Sunday to Thursday is von 12 Uhr bis 9 Uhr bei Nacht. Matze Shabbos 8 Uhr bis 12 Uhr bei Nacht. Wir sind literally the letzte store offen doen in the mall.
Really?
Matze Shabbos Nacht. Das ist kein Joke.
I love it. We always needed such a store, like a sushi, fish, grill style store in American Dream. And I'm machine Kimmins Azan, Kitta Machurum Toy, it's Kimmins the season. Awesome.
So another fun fact, fish grill, I feel like schlick on fish, come try out fish go fish. You're never gonna taste a piece of fish that is fishy, ever. It comes every day fresh, every day. Matter of fact, the fish gelebt, that push you today.
Legit.
It's a fresher fish.
You take it out of the ocean into fish grill.
Sorry, you can never compare to a fresh piece of fish go fish.
So anyway, Herr Schmeilich, never around in the kitchen. Let's check it out.
All right,
Kevin, here we are in the kitchen with John. He's gonna show us how he makes a good fish, John. Let's see.
So I have branzini over here. That's the typical fish that most of the people buy it.
Okay.
So we season it with garlic.
A little garlic.
And a little of the homemade season, like a salt and everything like this.
Okay.
We can do black, we can do Cajun and everything like that. But depending on the people, how they like it, you know?
That's
so
what
we
the
put
people
a
like.
little bit oil over here. Oil, we put the fish.
Tell me a little about this grill. What type of grill is this?
So this is the regular grill that we use over here. We use with the charcoal mesquite.
That's a real charcoal grill?
Yeah.
Wow, get back here. This is real fire, real charcoal, no games here. Real charcoal, it's very unusual that you see a real charcoal grill.
Yeah, real charcoal.
But that's good, it gives the flavor, the wood.
Flavor and everything, yeah.
Get back here, branzina on the grill.
So we choose the size for the people. We have French fries, rice pilaf, zucchini. I will make a little bit of zucchini for you guys.
Let me see some zucchini.
So now we're gonna put the regular zucchini brush.
Zucchini brush.
Yes. So this will give it all the flavors for the zucchini. So
chef is good here.
Yep.
Good
we can do zucchini, no oil or regular, like most of the people.
You can do whatever you want. Wow. It's unusual such a grill, no?
Ja, zei ik, lijkt aan een zaak. Geld dat zo zijn, get the quality and my taste is in the fish.
Taste it in the fish. You taste the difference in the charcoal grill?
Yeah, the charcoal grill give it does that change the whole taste. That's amazing. Most of the people like it over here.
Wow. The branzina goes on top. Get back here.
It's a good matching over here.
Like it on a lemon. That lemon is good.
Yes. So I will give you the fish is ready.
Fish is ready. Bingo! Brezina on top of the zucchini, the little lemon. That looks good. It looks good.
So this is the fish over here. It's look
Yeah.
good. They give you the good color. So you want to taste it?
I'm gonna taste it. Let's go for it.
Okay.
Beautiful.
¿Me puedes dar?
Geschmacklich, beautiful kitchen. I love it. You did an amazing job. And I love the way you get it in a tiny location, a pizzy kitchen. You can put everything in there from a charcoal grill, deep fries, alles. I'm sure you do big stuff too, huh? That's a gross location. Na warte.
Some nursing homes, hotels, restaurant. Jetzt gehen wir jetzt bekommen mit zum ersten Hospital.
Hospital.
It's a shame.
Wow, hook me up. Das geht. Fine and nice. Kola kola. Lass mich in the phone and I know bestellen a kitchen, a commercial kitchen. Commercial, right? Don't do residential.
Right, only commercial. 718-207-1313. 718-207-1313, extension 202.
Gevre.
WhatsApp is 718-207-1313.
Unkan extensions. Schick mich a WhatsApp. Heimisch gerät. The refrigerators, du musst das auch da, ne?
Sure.
Everything over here.
It's federal, it's a tire company, it's a
Wow.
best quality.
So everything that you see here, Gevre, is done by HSS Kitchens. Reach out to my good friend Esmailich for a quote. Gevre, fish grill it is. Atme a lechtingen, diese Tog.